Mandy, welcome to Super Recipes. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best Chinese egg fried rice, which only takes 5 minutes to make. Super simple, but getting it right requires you to understand the basic technique. So I'm going to explain everything as detailed as possible in order for you to achieve that perfect, fluffy, and toasty fried rice, just like how it's done in a restaurant. First, you will need some cooked rice. Yes, you can use leftover rice, and many people say that leftover rice is the secret to fluffy fried rice. But I'm here to bust that myth. The real key is to choose the right type of rice. It doesn't matter if it's leftover or freshly cooked. I recommend using long grain varieties such as basmati and jasmine rice. Avoid using medium or short grain rice as their grains tend to stick together, resulting in gummy fried rice. What I'm using is jasmine rice. I just cooked it 30 minutes ago and I'm going to stir fry it right away so that I can show you freshly cooked rice can also turn out light and fluffy. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl and beat well. 4 scallions diced. Divide them into 2 portions. We'll use half for stir frying and reserve the green part to add at the end. Turn the heat to maximum. The most important step when making fried rice is preheating your wok. Since home stoves aren't as powerful as commercial ones, you must tilt the wok in all directions so the entire surface heats evenly and thoroughly. This usually takes 30 seconds to a minute depending on your stove's power. Let me show you what will happen if you don't preheat the wok. The rice will stick like crazy, and trust me, that's a nightmare you don't want to deal with. When the wok starts smoking, that's the sign to add a generous amount of oil. However, do not preheat the wok for too long. If the metal gets too hot, the oil could ignite as soon as it touches the wok. Swirl the oil to coat the wok and create a non-stick layer. Add half of the diced scallions and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and stir for just a few seconds. Then pour in the beaten eggs and mix well. This way, every bite of the egg is fused with the scallion and garlic aroma, making the fried rice extra fragrant. See how the egg isn't sticking at all? That's the result of thoroughly preheating the wok. If your egg sticks badly, it's a clear sign that the wok wasn't heated properly. Once the egg is mostly set, drizzle a little bit more oil around the edges of the wok. Then add the cooked rice. Break up any clumps and mix well so every grain is loose and separated. I just love cooking with a carbon steel wok. It's lightweight that I can toss it with one hand. It has no Teflon coating, but it is non-stick if preheated correctly. It can sustain high heat so you can get the wok effect, and your fried rice will come out smoky like it is made in a restaurant. I'll link this wok in the description. If you love Chinese food, I highly recommend to check it out. We're almost done. Season the fried rice with 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and drizzle 1 tablespoon of soy sauce from the side of the wok so the heat can caramelize it and create more complex flavors. Last, toss in the diced scallions and mix well. How easy was that? This is such a perfect egg fried rice. It's not oily at all. Every grain is separated, so light and fluffy, even though it doesn't contain any meat, but the taste is satisfying and packed with the wok flavor. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!